As for the name, you can change it too if you want. I'll show you an example. Let's call it Auto ID. Auto ID link label, okay? Hit enter, just like this. When it comes to making it look nice, that will take a bit of time. But for now, let's just add all the necessary controls first. Let's take a look. Before we move on, let's save it real quick to make sure our project is safe. There might be a power outage or something like that, so make sure to save often. Let's go back to the project example to see what else we need. We've already got the text block, so now what's left is the columns that are arranged in rows like this. We call this a data grid view. So let's add that in. Go to the toolbox, it's right here. Type the word data, it's very exciting. Then just drag it in. As soon as you drop it in, the program will show its properties up here. If you click away, they'll disappear like this. If you want them back, just click here on the little triangle and they'll pop up again. You should uncheck these options. We don't allow adding here. We don't allow editing in the data grid view, and we don't allow deleting in the data grid view either. We'll write the code ourselves here, that's fine. Normally, just drag the window back to where it was. Alright, just like this. You can adjust the size of the data grid view however you want. I'll set the width like this and the height about here. Just follow along with the video. Adjusting this part is really up to your preference. Now, about the color, I don't really like this color, so I'm going to change the background color a bit. Go to background color, and I'll pick a slightly off-white shade. Just use a Windows color. Make it solid, okay, something like this. Next, let's take a look at our example. So, it's arranged to look nice, something like this. This part will take a little bit of time. Designing it will take a bit of time, so I'll just adjust it like this. Text block, and then the label. Okay, for this part about adjusting things, I recommend you try it out yourself to see what font size works best. Because if I do it here as a demonstration, it would take a bit of time. Making it look nice like the example here does take a bit of time, so you can adjust the appearance yourself to your liking. Now let's try starting it up. Once you've finished adjusting everything, okay, you'll get a form that looks something like this. As for the group section, you'll notice that it's not quite aligned, so you can adjust it to make it look nicer. You'll notice that it takes a bit of time if you want to make adjustments. I'll leave this part for you to do on your own, making it look nice. Here's a little tip. If you want to make all the controls the same size, just select them all. Like this, for example, with this text block. Then go over here to Make Vertical and under Spacing Eco. Adjust it. Once you do, it'll automatically make everything evenly spaced. Like this, select them as a group, select the labels, and group them like this. See? It will adjust the width to be equal, and the spacing between them will be even. This really helps cut down the time spent dragging things around. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the form, design part. What you should check is the names of these controls. The first one is the keyword text box. Now it's search bottom. This one is another control, and here is the product barcode. Go through them one by one. It'll make coding easier because if you forget to rename something, you might have to come back and change it later. And this part is the status label right here. Okay. Alright, so that's about it for designing the form. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you very much.